Good afternoon all. Please take textbook part 2, page number 54. The same page you can see on the screen also. Let me share the screen. The same page you can see on the screen. You got the same page? You got the same page?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we start?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now we have concept 8.1, measure short length using non-standard units. That means this question. Okay. Number 1, long and short. And look at the picture given and answer the following questions. You can see 3 pencils. Pencil A, pencil B, pencil C. Based on the picture, that means 3 pencils, we have the first question. A. Which pencil is the longest? Which pencil is the longest? Ivania.
Third one.
Others, please be quiet. Ivania, which pencil is the longest?
Third one.
Third one means which one? Is it A or B or C?
I'm lucky.
C. Very good, Lakshana. You have 3 pencils having different length. So all of you write number C there. Okay. Write the answer C. Write the answer C. The first question A, the answer is C. Now question B. Which pencil is the shortest? Which pencil is the shortest? Ishan Krishna, which pencil is the shortest? Ishan?
A.
A. So all of you write answer A there. A. Now we have question C. Elroy, please unmute. Which pencil is of medium length? Which pencil
B.
has medium length?
B.
Elroy, which one having medium
B.
length? B. So all of you write answer B. So A having A is the shortest, B is the medium one, and C is the longest. Upma completed. Shall we move to question number 2? Yes, very good.
Yes.
Okay, number 2. Measure lengths using non-standard units. RANI, Rani, measures the lengths of some objects with her handspan. Look at the book or look at the screen. Okay. RANI, Rani, measures the lengths of some objects with her handspan. Their measurements are as given below. And she measured table length. She got 12 handspans. Window, she got 8 handspans. But she got 18 handspans. Notebook, she got 2 handspans. Okay, so Rani measured these objects using her handspans and she got a table 12 handspans, window 8 handspans, but 18 handspans, notebook 2 handspans. Now, based on this, question is in the next page.
Book.
Page, book, textbook, part 2. Textbook, part 2. Textbook, part 2, page number 54. Now, based on this information, we have questions in page number 55. Page number 55. Let me take page number 55. Okay. Now,
Yes.
Sankalp, please unmute and tell me answer. Which object has the maximum length? Which one is having maximum length? Is it table, window, bed, or notebook? Which one, Sankalp? When she count the number of length of these objects. She got a table, 12 handspans, window, 8 handspans, bed, 18 handspans, notebook, 2 handspans. So which one is having more length?
Bed.
Bed. Very good. So write all of you the answer B-E-D, bed. First one, the answer is B-E-D, bed. Very good, Sangar. Good. B-E-D, bed. Sarah, please unmute. Sarah, please unmute. And look at the screen. We have question B. And the question is, which object measures the least in length? That means having less length. What is having less length?
Book.
Which book? Yes. Which book?
Notebook.
Notebook. Very good. Notebook only 2 handspans. So that is the smallest number. So the object is notebook. N-O-T-E-B-O-O-K. Notebook. Very good. Very good, Sarah. The object measures the least in length is notebook. N-O-T-E-B-O-O-K. Notebook.
I finished.
Okay, good. Now, Lakshana, please unmute. Lakshana, please unmute and listen here. We have question number C. And
Yes,
the question is, which object is longer? Which object is longer? The table or the bed? And table having 12 handspans, bed having 18 handspans. So which one is longer?
Bed.
Bed. Very good. The bigger number is 18. So the answer is bed. B-E-D. Bed. Okay, Lakshana, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
B-D. Bed. B-E-D. Bed. B-E-D. Bed. B-E-D. Bed. And Nilhan Aurin, please unmute. Nilhan Aurin, please unmute. And look at the question D. Which object is shorter? The window or the notebook? Window having 8 handspans, notebook having 2 handspans. So which is shorter?
Book.
Very good. Notebook. Notebook. The number 2 is smallest. So notebook. N-O-T-E-B-O-O-K. Notebook. The notebook having shorter length. N-O-T-E-B-O-O-K. Notebook. Notebook. N-O-T-E-B-O-O-K. Notebook. N-O-T-E.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay. B-O-O-K.
Ma'am,
Not.
I finished. Ma'am, I need my finish.
It's okay. It's okay. Good. Now,
Ma'am,
shall
I'm Babu finished. My finish.
we Question
Finish.
question number 3. Measure the length using the given smaller object. You can see a mobile phone. Its length is measured using sharpness. Your sharpness. Now, others, please be quiet. Devarsh, what is the length of the mobile phone? How many sharpness? Count it. How many sharpness, my dear? 1,
4.
3, 4. Very good. Very good. Very good. So you can write 4 sharpness. S-H-A-R-P-E-N-E-R-S. 4 sharpness. S-H-A-R-P-E-N-E-R-S. sharpeners. For sharpeners.
Finish.
Okay. Now able CP, please.
Now finish.
It's okay. It's okay. Then you write.
Ma'am, Lakshana, finish.
Okay, Lakshana, very good. Let's just wait for others. Let them complete. After that, we can move to next one. Able CP, please.
Ma'am, able CP. Finish, ma'am.
Okay, now able CP.
Finish.
Able CP, listen here. Others, please be quiet. Able CP, you can see the next object. Okay, next object is a color box. Color, having colors. So it is measured. The length is measured using crayons. Using crayons. How many crayons? The length of the box. How many crayons? Very good. 3. 1, 2, 3. So you can write 3 crayons. 3 crayons. 3 crayons. crayons. 3 crayons. Very good. 3 crayons.
Finish.
Okay. And Elvin Mario, please unmute. Elvin, please unmute. And look at the next one. It's a calculator, I think. And the length is measured using paper clips. Paper. How many paper clips? The length of the calculator. How many paper clips?
5.
5. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can write the number 5. PAPER. 5 paper clips. 5 paper clips. PAPER. Paper. CLIPS. Clips. 5 paper clips.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay. Please be quiet. Let them complete.
Ma'am, finish.
Next one.
I finished.
Hadia completed. Hadia. And unmute Hadia.
Elvin finished.
Look at the next one. You can see the pen. And the length is measured using the sharpeners. How many sharpeners? The length of the pen. Hadia, count it.
I
How many
finished.
sharpeners? Hadia. How many sharpeners?
1, 2,
Ah.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good. So 6 sharpeners. Now write SHARPENERS.
Ma'am, finish. Full finish.
6 sharpeners.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay.
Elvin, full
6
finish.
sharpeners. 6 sharpeners. 6 sharpeners. SHARPENERS. 6 sharpeners. Those who have completed, please take page number 56. 5, 6, 56. All of you have completed. Shall we move to page number 56?
Yes.
What about able CP completed? Fadeen completed.
Yes.
So please take page number 5, 6.
Ma'am, completed.
Please take page number 5, 6, 56. Now we have question 4. OBSERV. Observe the given picture and answer the following questions. And the pictures are: 1, white ball; second one, football; third one, balloon filled with air. Balloon filled with air. Now, based on these 3 objects, we have the first question A. What is the question? Which out of the 3 ways is the heaviest? Is it white ball or football or balloon with air? Which one? Avish Boban, what is the answer? Avish?
Yes, ma'am.
Which one weigh heaviest? Is it a white ball or football or balloon with air? Which one?
Football.
Very good. Football. You know the weight of a football? Very good. The correct answer. Football. F O O T B A L L. Football. Now, Ritik Sunil, please unmute. Ritik Sunil, please unmute and tell
Yes,
me
ma'am.
the answer. Which out of the three is the lightest? Which one is the lightest?
Balloon.
Balloon filled with air. Now, all of you right answer. Ballon. Balloon. Filled. Balloon filled with air. Balloon filled with air. Alna, why are you calling? Tell me, my dear.
FOTB. Football.
Football. Football. It's written here, no? Football. Football. B answer is balloon filled with air. Ballon.
I'm finished.
Filled.
I'm finished.
With
Ma'am,
air.
Alvin finished.
Those who have completed can close your textbook and take your workbook, part 2. Those who have completed, please.
Ma'am, I
close.
not completed.
Okay, those who have completed, they can close your textbook,
Page number.
take the workbook. Please be quiet.
Page number.
Page number I will tell you. Wait, let us take the textbook, not workbook.
Ma'am, lecture completed. Ma'am, book or textbook? Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
workbook or textbook?
If you have completed, you can take workbook, part 2, page number 29. Let me stop sharing. All of you have completed? Yes or no?
Yes.
Shall we
Yes.
move to workbook? Shall we move to workbook?
Yes.
Sai Krishna, completed. Now, let me
this page. And this book.
I will show you. I will show you.
Ma'am, this page.
This book, yes, it's written there. Mathematics workbook, part 2. Mathematics workbook, part 2, page number 2929. Page number 2929. Let me share the screen and let me take.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me take the same page.
Take page number. നീ അവിടക്കല്ലേ വീഡിയോ ഇങ്ങോട്ട് കാണിച്ചു കൊടുക്കുന്നത് കണ്ടാ ഊരിയാൻ കിട്ടും ഞാൻ അമ്മയുടെ അടുത്ത് പറയൂട്ടാ നീ വലിക്കുന്നത് കണ്ട
Please be quiet. Please be quiet.
Ma'am, page number.
Page number 2929. Page number 2929. Let me take here. Okay, the same page you can see on the screen also. The same page you can see on the screen also. Are you ready? Shall we start?
Yes.
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 So we have multiple choice questions. We have multiple choice questions. Workbook page number 29. And we have the first question. Aman, please unmute Aman. Aman Babu.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we have multiple choice question and we have first one. CHOOSE. Choose the
Shortest,
smallest
smallest
shape
shape.
among the following. So which picture or which shape is the smallest? Is it A, B, C or D?
D.
Very good. So please put a tick mark for D and write the capital letter D inside the brackets. Okay, Aman. Good.
Thank you.
Now, Rukma Robin, please unmute Rukma. Rukma,
Yes,
please
ma'am.
unmute. I will ask you. And we have the second question. Which of the following is the smallest? You can see now ice cream cupcake. So you can
Option
see
B.
A, B, C, D. So Rukma,
Option B. B. Option B. Option B.
please be quiet. Please be quiet. Only Rukma unmute, others please be quiet. Rukma, which one is smallest? Is it A, B, C or D? Which one?
B.
B. Very good. So please put a tick mark for B and write the capital letter B inside the brackets.
Finish, ma'am. Full finish.
Allah, Arun, please unmute. Allah, please unmute. And look at number 3. Question 3. Which of the following is the tallest? T-A-L-L-E-S-T. Tallest lamp. Is it A, B, C or D? Which one is the tallest one? Allah, listen here. Which one is the tallest? A. A is the tallest. So put a tick mark for A and write A inside the brackets. Able CP completed.
Yes, ma'am. Number 6, you finish? Yes, ma'am. Elvin full finish.
Able CB completed.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So please take page
Ma'am,
number
Aman Babu completed.
it's okay. Take page number 3030. Take page number 3030. Johan Sijo, please unmute. Johan Sijo, please unmute. And we have again multiple choice questions and question number 4. Listen here. Can you read the question?
Yes.
Please read it.
Handstand, bit, foot, and pace are
That.
units of measurements.
Very good, very good. Okay, we have the option A, non-standard, B, standard, C, both A and B, D, not. What is the answer?
Non-standard.
Very good. So the option A is the correct answer. So write letter A inside the bracket. Non-standard. Non-standard units of measurements. Now, Krishna Raj, please unmute. Krishnank, please unmute. And look at the question 5. How many?
How many handsprings
Represents the
the
breadth
breadth
of the cupboard.
Cupboard.
You can see a cupboard. What is its breadth? How many handspans? Count it.
4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So which is the correct option? Is it A, B, C or D?
B.
B. So write the capital letter B inside the bracket. Abhinav TS, please unmute. Abhinav TS, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
How many
uh,
cubits
qubits.
is the LENGTH
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 of
of the
cloth.
one,
It means
two,
a
three,
piece of
four,
cloth.
five.
So what is
Five.
its length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which is the correct option?
5.
5. Which option is 5?
Option A.
Very good. So put a tick mark for option A and write capital letter A. Sai Krishna, please unmute. Sai Krishna, please unmute. Sai Krishna, please unmute. Now look at the question. Question number 7. Fill in the blanks. Sai Krishna, can you read the question, Sai Krishna?
Yes.
Okay, please read. The breadth
Width
of
of
the window
window
is
is
dash hands handspan.
the handpan.
So what is the breadth of the window? How many handspans? Count it. How many handspans? Count it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. What is the answer?
10.
10. Very good. Good boy. Write the number 10. Write the number 10. The breadth of the window is 10 handspans. Very good, Sai Krishna. The breadth of the window is 10 handspans. Triple CP completed. Shall we move to page number 31?
Yes, ma'am.
Please take a page number 131. Abel Anthony, please unmute. Abel Anthony, please unmute. And question number 8. Please read the question number 8. WIDTH. Width of
the
racetrack
is
the spaces. Now count it. Pace means what? Single step taken when walking. So we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many paces?
8.
8. So we can write the number 8. 8 paces. The width of the racetrack is 8 paces. The width of the racetrack is 8 paces. Fardin, please unmute. Fardin, and read the question number 9.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please read the question number 9.
The length of the bird is dash handspans.
Hands. How many handspans? The length of the box. Count it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write the number 6 there. 6 handspans. 6 handspans. Jeffrey, please turn on your video. Jeffrey, please turn on your video and read the question number 10. HOW. How? WILL.
How will you measure
Very good.
The
Length. L-E-N-G-T-H. Length.
length of a
Classroom.
classroom.
Very good. How will you measure the length of a classroom? So which one you will use? Is it hand span or cubit or foot or piece? Which one we use? How will you measure the length of the classroom? Is it a hand span or cubit or foot or piece? Which one?
Place.
Piece. We can use piece. Foot also we can use. Foot or piece we can use. Okay, very good. So you can write the answer piece. P-A-C-E. Piece or foot also you can use. P-A-C-E. Piece or foot. F-O-O-T. Foot. Very good. Piece or foot. Piece or foot.
I'm finished. I'm finished, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Elvin Mario, please unmute.
I'm finished.
Elvin Mario, please
Yes.
unmute and read question number 11.
How will you
Measure
measure
the
the
height
height of
a
book?
How will you measure the height of your book? Which one you will use? Is it a hand span, cubit, foot, or piece? Height of a book. Which you will use? Louder. Elvin, which one you will use? Hand span. Very good. Correct answer. So you can write the hand span. H-A-N-D. Hand span. H-A-N-D-S-P-A-N. Hand span. Binav, please unmute and read question number 12.
Yes, ma'am. How will you
Measure.
M-A-R-E?
How will you measure the width of bed? How will you measure the width of a bed? Is it hand span, cubit, foot, or piece? Which one you will use? Bed, width of a bed. Is it hand span or cubit?
And span.
Hand span also we can use, but if you are using cubit, that will be more comfort. Okay, hand span is also correct. We can use that also. So let us write a cubit. C-U-B-I-T. If it is hand span, we have to count more times. If it is cubit, it will be less. Hand span also correct. Cubit is more better. C-U-B-I-T. Cubit. Did I miss anyone? Did I miss any students? Tell me. Okay. Able CB, read the question. Able CB, I asked once, it's okay. You can read question number 30. W-H-I-C-H. Which?
Ma'am, Hadia.
Okay. Which?
B-O-D-E-Y. Ma'am, Hadia.
Okay, I will ask you. If there is time, I will ask you. See, which body parts are used to measure hand span, cubit, foot, and pace? Okay, which body parts are used? It's only 2 minutes. That's why I read the question. Apple CB, tell me answer. Which body parts are used to measure hand span, cubit, foot, and pace? Which body parts we are using for hand span and cubit? Which one?
Hand.
Very good. Hand. So you can write. Very good. Very good. H-A-N-G. Hand. So bracket you can write hand span, Which is another one? Cubit. Hand. So hand span, comma, cubit. We use our body part hand. Hadia, what about the remaining foot and face? Which body part we use? Hadia, which body part we use for the another measurements? Which body part we use? Hadia,
Yes, ma'am.
which body part we use for foot and face? Is it a nose? Is it a hand? Is it legs? Which one?
Legs.
Very good. So write Legs. Legs. Legs for foot and face. Foot, comma, face. Hand, handspan, comma, cubit. Legs, foot, comma, face. H-A-N-D, hand. Handspan, comma, cubit. L-E-G-S, legs. Foot, comma, face. The same I will forward in the group also. So those who didn't complete, they can complete from there. It's time to wind up. Winding up. So thank you for joining. Let me stop sharing.
Elvin full finish.
Okay, good.
Yes.
I will send in the group. Okay. I will send.
Elvin finish.
So thank you.
Elvin finish.
Bye bye. See you in the next class.
Bye. Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Bye. Bye.